Hi, today I come up with a new topic that is automated incident response playbook. This is interesting topic using Python for advanced security orchestration tasks. Agenda. Why automate incident response? SOAR challenges and use cases. Security orchestration architecture. Python based playbook design. Common automation scenarios. Governance, metrics, best practices. Traditional incident response challenges, manual and time consuming investigations, alert fatigue, in SOCs, inconsistent responses, IMTTR, limited analyst scalability. Why automated incident response? Reduce mean time to respond, MTTR, standardize response actions, free analytics for high value tasks, improve consistency and accuracy, scale SOC operations. Security orchestration and automation SOAR integrates security tools and processes, automates repetitive response actions, uses playbooks and workflows, supports analysts in the loop, enhances SOC efficiency. Reference architectures. SIEM generates alerts, a SOAR platform triggers playbooks, Python automation layers, security tools via APIs, logging and audit trail. Why Python for security automation? Rich ecosystem of security libraries, easy API integrations, readable and maintainable, cross platform support, ideal for rapid development. Incident response playbook structures, trigger and detection, context enrichment, decision logic, automated response actions, notification and closure. Alert ingestion and validation. SIEM/EDR alert intake, deduplication and correlation, severity validation, false positive filtering, playbook selection. Event enrichment using Python. Threat intelligence lookups, IP/domain reputation checks, asset and user context, geo IP informations, historical event correlation, decision logic and automation control, rule based conditions, risk scoring, confidence thresholds, analyst approval gates, fail safe mechanisms. Automated response actions block IP or domain on firewalls, disable compromised accounts, isolate endpoints, kill malicious processes, open ITSM tickets. Common Python automation tasks: REST API calls to security tools, parsing JSON alert payloads, executing remediation scripts, integrating with cloud services, error handling and retrieves. High value automation use cases: phishing response, malware outbreak containment, credential compromise, brute force attack integration, suspicious outbound traffic. Please try to subscribe to share interesting videos. Typical tool integrations: SIEM, Splunk, Sentinel, EDR, CrowdStrike Defender, Firewalls Palo Alto Fortinet, IAM, AD, Azure AD, ITSM, ServiceNow. Governance and safety controls. Change management for playbooks, role based access control, approval workflows, comprehensive logging, rollback and recovery. Measuring success: MTTR reduction, automation rate, analyst time saved, false positive reduction, incident containment time. Best practices for Python playbooks: start with low risk actions, design idempotent risk, include error handling, maintain reusable modules, continuously tune and test. Common challenges: over automation risk, API reliability, tool integration complexity, maintaining scripts, balancing speed versus safety. Conclusion: automation is essential for modern SOCs. Python enables flexible orchestration. Playbooks improve consistency. Governed automation scales security. Continuous improvement is the key. This is the last slide for today's session. Thank you.